Like I always tell people, I don't need nothing else. I got everything I want in life, which is 3 beautiful boys and a beautiful wife. And the rest is history. And that's what we're going to be doing, making history. It's beautiful. I consider myself super lucky. And you know, and like everybody else, I have one superstar. I just happen to have 3. My oldest one sets the stage, and the other 2 just follow, which makes it very easy. That Big Baller brand, a brand is one of the biggest things you can have. And what happens is, it's hard work to attain it, so nobody wants to attain it. Not too many people think that far ahead. But the following that comes with my boys, with the 3 Ball brothers, is like, you've got to have a following, but it's got to be success behind it. If they're not doing anything on that court, none of this stuff matters. You invest in something, and let's say I tell you, okay, for this investment to pay us back, it's going to be 20 years. You're going to go the other way. So I ain't got 20 years to be sitting back. But if you're doing something that you love and you're watching it grow, 20 years went by so fast, I can't believe Lonzo is a freshman, about to be 20 years old next year. Melo, my baby. Like, dang, Jello about to go to UCLA. I'm like, wow. Just like me and my wife are thinking, it's been a long time, but where's the time gone? And it's like, how do you expect Lonzo and my boys and Jello and them not to be good and big and strong when you realize almost 20 years have gone by? It's just like all these people try to compare, like me sometimes, to some of these other fathers, like Tiger Woods' dad and Venus and Serena. They don't get it. Those guys play one-on-one sports. My boy plays a team sport. So it's not about him going one-on-one. Okay, it's about to get a little crazy in here now. Jello! Lonzo! Y'all come eat. People say to my boys, hey man, you know your dad is crazy. And you know what they saying? Tell us something we don't know. He been crazy all his life. When we came out, he was crazy. So whatever is on the outside talking about us, it doesn't matter. It does not matter.